Alrighty, get in here. See what the girls got going on in the office here. These women been working hard, calling people we've give quotes to in the past, following up on those folks that have been calling in. See what's going on in here. Miss Katie Waters, how you doing?
Fantastic. How are you?
You doing fantastic. And how's Miss Caitlin doing in the back?
Good.
Doing good?
Yep.
Happy Monday to you guys.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. I got you the new link too for the software we were talking about with the field situation. Awesome. I got that, so I'll be sending that over to you today.
Awesome. So
you guys can take a look at that and see how it's working for you.
Yep.
Alrighty, I gotta get to a job site. I'll talk to you later. Alrighty, we get out here, get to a job site. Gonna head up to a job site in Glen Burnie. We're doing a garage floor for an old client of ours. We've done several garage floors for this guy, so I'm gonna head up there now, see how the guys are making out. The customer might be interested in some store wall, so I'm gonna get up there and take a look. Come along with us and we'll see you up there. Alrighty, we're here in Glen Burnie. We're gonna take a look at this floor, see how the guys are doing. Hey Karina, how are you? Yeah, it's looking good. Nice weather.
Nice.
No rain, no snow.
No, nothing. Perfect for work.
Huh?
It's perfect day for work.
Yeah. You gotta work. Let's have a good day, right?
Yeah.
Looking good. That floor had that glaze I was telling you about. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You did all right?
Really, yeah, really hard. At least we got very new teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good deal. Good deal. It's gonna be looking good. Talk to Mr. Ted.
Yeah.
He liked the color?
Yeah, he like a color. He left 30 minutes ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I got you. Looking good. What are you doing?
Getting a little bit of film in, checking in on Rudy.
Checking in on Rudy?
Make sure he doesn't need me to go to Home Depot for the millionth time today.
He runs you around the Home Depot getting products, huh?
Always.
For his own personal products?
Mm-hmm.
Projects, I mean, or
Everything.
TLC? Everybody's?
Yep.
He's doing all kind of work, huh? Painting, rehabbing houses on the weekends, all kind of stuff. All kind of shenanigans.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Life of a contractor. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Before I let you guys come with
Craziness. Craziness going on here. Alrighty, I'm going on to the next project. Just want to stop in and see how you guys are making out.
Yeah.
Looking good. Looking good. Alrighty, we're back in Glen Burnie this morning and checking up on the floor that we started yesterday up here for a previous client that just built a new home, and he invited us to do his floor at the new home. Rudy,
Yes, sir.
how are you, sir?
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
And who's your trusted helper here? Her name is Jersey. Jersey. Yeah, Miss Jersey. Yeah, 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 yeah. Miss Jersey. Miss Jersey's got a big smile on this morning. She's getting her shoes all ready, her spikes fixed up. How's this floor looking? Ready to go?
Yeah.
Looking good.
Yeah.
I like your stem wall. That turned out nice, didn't it?
Yeah. Is that so?
Oh yeah. Yep, don't discount those steps. They look nice, sweet. And I know you haven't forgotten this, because I know you, but make sure you get some extra grit for some grip in the steps, okay?
Yeah, we are good.
Okay, you know what I mean? That's one place where it's going to be slippery if you don't.
Yeah.
Coming in here on rainy days. So you going to put your first coat of clear down?
Yeah, I'm starting to put it in.
Getting ready?
Yeah.
All right. Alrighty. Gonna look nice. Gonna look nice. What do you think there, Mr. Bird? What do you think? Huh?
I think it looks pretty good.
Huh?
Pretty good.
Huh? Miss Jersey said, hey, Mr. Bob, did you take your medication this morning? Hey. Karina not here today?
No, she's not coming in.
No? I got you.
A few moments later.
Putting the first coat of clear on this floor here in Glen Burnie. It's going to look sharp. So you use your squeezy, Rudy, and then you roll it out?
Yeah.
That's a polyspartic polyurea top coat. Root?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Make it look easy, but it's a little bit harder than it looks. Remember the first floor you and I ever did together? We ended up sticking to the floor. You remember that, Rudy?
Yeah.
We got done, the client was like, what are you guys gonna do now for encore? I said, we'll probably have to grind this off and start over again. That was years ago. It's funny now, it wasn't funny that night. It was like 7:30 at night, remember, Rudy? It was late. It was late.
Yeah.
Long day. But you live and learn, right?
Yeah.
Good looking color, isn't it?
I like this color.
I think that's the color we should use on my new garage.
Yeah.
My new garage floor. What do you think?
Good, good. I like this color. More than the other one.
Yeah.
That's the one Mikey I like.
Yep.
Gray Mandy I like.
Yeah, everybody.
Everybody like it.
Chris Man.
Christmas, yeah.
Yeah, Jeff just did a floor a couple weeks ago. Black onyx.
Yeah.
Julio did a floor black onyx. We did some repair work. It's a popular color for sure.
Yeah, everybody like this color.
Yep. Hides the dirt. You don't see dirt as much in your garage. It's easy to find if you drop it in any small parts, you know, in the garage floor. Still bright enough with the white in there, which is nice.
Matches everything.
Yeah, match is pretty universal. Looking good, Rudy.
Yeah, yes, I'm gonna need a little bit.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, for your first coat.
Yeah, yes, and this one right here.
Let it tack up.
Yeah, I put it right here, but I'm not putting it right here.
Yeah, I got you. Gonna look sweet. We're gonna get on to other job sites, but we want to stop by and say hello and take a look at your floor. It's looking good, sir.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Okay.
I'll see you back at the office later on.
Okay. Yes.
Good work, guys. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.